Bamiri ya mutigairi gerrishon Kirima muthenya wa umuthi ni cokeirie mwene nyaga ngatho hamwe na ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni undu wa guthingata kihoto na kumacokeria mugunda wao wa eka 978 uria uri kwa njiru guku Nairobi.
To say that we as a family, we are delighted that this long standing issue has finally come to an end and a conclusion. We thank God and the Kenyan judiciary for standing on truth and justice and upholding the sanctity of title.
Makiariria andiki ya mohoro mukawaini wa heron guku Nairobi, mwari wa gatatu wa gerrishon Kamau oho ni akumithitie ateti aria marekuruhania na kuregana na itua ria igoti na njira ya kuhinyiriria ati mararuira ihoto cia muingi uria uri mugunda-ini ucio.
Acrobatism. You know, it is very dangerous to joke around with people's lives. Do not politicize lives, because Moi alituambia siasa mbaya, maisha mbaya, because these are people who have suffered for 12 years.
Na riu niguo kung'ethanira na ateti acio riu bamiri iyo ni amurite uria wari governor wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko ang'ethanire nao na kuona ati Sonko anakorwo na macira mangi o ta mau maria ahotanite kumana na ugi na makiria bamiri ya Kirima hamwe na Mike Sonko magakorwo ati mahuthiraga wakiri umwe uria uikaine ta senior councillor ODM.
A lot of politicians, there are others going there tomorrow, going to do prayers there tomorrow. We have decided to appoint a champion to champion the interests of the beneficiaries. And the champion is Mike Sonko, because he has resolved the other cases, similar cases in Mombasa, Waitiki land, this South B land, and even the Kirima land in Parklands.
Oho bamiri iyo ni rutite murugamo ati gutire mundu uri na rutha rwa guikara na aria mari mugunda-ini ucio gwetha kihonia na makiria nginyagia riu bamiri iyo ndiriragia na giikaro na andu aria mari mugunda-ini ucio ona thengia wao gukorwo magitia giikaro kiu.
So I just wanted to clarify, no one has the mandate, approval or appointment to act on behalf of those to whom the property vests right now by order of the court over 10 years ago. All the beneficiaries of the estate of gerrishon Kamau Kirima.
Na niguo gwetha kihonia kiria giguteithiriria aria mari mugunda-ini ucio mitaratara ta guthurima maratathi ma uguri wa mugunda ucio, guthurima uigithia wa andu aria mari mugunda-ini ucio, guthurima family iria iri mugunda-ini ucio no nginya itafanio.
So what we need to do first and foremost is identify and establish what is on the ground, who is actually living there, how many families are actually affected, where are they staying. Once that is done, then we'll have a blueprint as to who we're actually working with. The court has also requested that we conclude the sale of certain parties that had actually already started purchasing, and we need to meet with them. We need to verify their documentation. We need to establish how much have they paid, if they have paid anything, and get to the place where the documents have been established.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Cege wa Njohi.